In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work on Shopify in Pakistan. Embarking on the journey of setting up a Shopify store from Pakistan might seem daunting at first, but with the right guidance, it can be both straightforward and rewarding. Let's walk through the necessary steps to get your Shopify store up and running, tailored specifically for those of you tuning in from Pakistan. To begin, let's navigate to the Shopify website. It's where your adventure into e-commerce begins. The login page is your gateway to creating and managing your store, so simply clicking on login will start your journey. Don't worry if you're not already signed up, the process is intuitive and user-friendly for newcomers. After accessing the login screen, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If this is your initial visit, Shopify will guide you through setting up an account. Opt for continue with email to securely link your email address with your Shopify account. This step ensures all your store's notifications and correspondences go directly to you, keeping you in the loop at all times. Choosing an account can be as simple as selecting the email associated with your intended business operations. Shopify simplifies this by connecting with various email providers, facilitating a seamless integration. Once you're logged in, it's time to familiarize yourself with your Shopify dashboard. Head over to My Store and then to Home. Here, Shopify provides a centralized platform with everything you need to manage your store effectively. Next, dive into the nitty-gritty of customizing your store settings by clicking on Settings, located at the bottom left corner of the dashboard. This area allows you to control various aspects of your store, from payment processes to shipping rates. A particularly pertinent section for those in Pakistan is Markets. Access this by clicking on Markets in the settings menu. Here, Shopify introduces the possibility of expanding your store's reach globally or targeting specific markets. Given our focus, you'll want to click on Add Market. Typing in Pakistan as your target market is crucial. This specificity ensures your store caters directly to the Pakistani marketplace, optimizing your store's settings for this demographic. Shopify's intelligent system simplifies this process. By searching and then filtering for Pakistan, you streamline your store's focus, ensuring it meets the local needs and preferences. After selecting Pakistan from the list, it's time to make it official by clicking on Add Market. This action solidifies your store's intent to cater to the Pakistani market, tailoring your e-commerce experience to fit local demand and trends. Throughout these steps, it's essential to keep a couple of tips in mind. Firstly, ensure that the email linked to your Shopify store is one you frequently use. Missed notifications can lead to overlooked opportunities or unresolved issues. Secondly, when customizing your settings for the Pakistani market, take some time to understand the local e-commerce regulations, preferred payment gateways, and shipping logistics. Shopify offers a wealth of resources and support to help navigate these areas, so don't hesitate to utilize them. Lastly, keep your store's theme and products culturally appropriate and relevant. Understanding your market goes beyond just demographics. It's about connecting with your customers on a level that respects and appreciates their local customs and traditions. By following these guided steps, you're not just setting up an online store, you're unlocking potential, reaching new customers, and embarking on an exciting journey of growth and opportunity in Pakistan's vibrant market. Whether you're a seasoned online seller or just starting, Shopify provides a comprehensive platform to support your e-commerce dreams. So, take these steps to heart, apply them diligently, and watch as your online store flourishes in the heart of Pakistan. Remember, each step forward is a step towards achieving your business goals. We're excited to see where this journey takes you. Happy selling!